Tell me who your birds are, Soobin.
Okay. Laura. Stop. Ellie. Laura, come. Laura, gun.
Which one's Laura?
This is Laura.
Thanks,
This is Ellie.
I'm gonna make your forehead shine.
Come on, Ellie.
Thank you.
Ellie. Come on, we're having a party.
They're having a bird party?
Yes. Movie show. Contest.
Oh, what? Careful. Yep. Okay.
A bird can do that too. Sorry, Ellie. Do like Laura. There. You
That
can-
seems a little dangerous to do that. Why don't you put them on your shirt? Oh, gentle.
I can do him gentle.
No, I don't think that's a good idea to bend them like that. Do you? Oh, gentle.
Huh?
Is that a good idea to bend them like that? Here. Yeah,
I
that's.
think he like it.
They like it like that? Okay, let's see.
I
Wow.
think next turn.
Wow, that's fancy.
Can I do a video with Ellie and
Yes,
Laura?
let's see. You can go in the video.
Okay.
Okay, you can be in the video.
Ellie.
Oh,
Laura.
there's Ellie and Laura. It's the Ellie and Laura show with Soojin and Soobin. Ta-da.
Stop doing that.
What's happening
You
with
want twist? Okay.
twist? Oh, let's see if Soojin can twist with her bird. Whoa, that's dramatic.
Whee!
Wow.
Whee!
My goodness, your bird's on the back of your shirt there.
Whoa. Show that really